In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Amazon Prime Video offline. This feature allows you to enjoy your favorite movies and TV shows without needing an internet connection. It's particularly handy for travel or in areas with limited connectivity. To get started, you'll need to use the Prime Video app on a supported device. This means you can use smartphones, tablets, or computers that are compatible with the app. Remember, offline viewing does not work in a web browser, so make sure you have the app installed and ready to go. First, open the Prime Video app on your supported device. You will see the familiar interface filled with various shows and movies. It might take a moment to load depending on your device and connection speed. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything that follows. You want to ensure you are in the right environment to begin downloading content. If you encounter any issues at this stage, try restarting the app or your device. Once you have it open, you are ready to move on. Next, sign into your Amazon account. You will be prompted to enter your email and password. This step is important because it links your downloads to your account. Once logged in, you will have access to your purchased content and Prime Video library. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to use this feature. After signing in, you can easily navigate through the vast array of titles available for download. Now, find the movie or TV show you want to watch offline. You can browse through categories or use the search function. Take your time to explore the options. The Prime Video app is user-friendly and designed to help you find what you are looking for quickly. This step is essential because it allows you to select what content you want to download. Making the right choice now will ensure you have the best viewing experience later. Once you have found your desired title, tap the download button. This button is typically represented by a downward-facing arrow. When you tap it, you will initiate the download process. For movies, you will tap download on the title page. For TV shows, you will see options to download season or individual episodes. This flexibility allows you to customize your downloads based on your viewing preferences. After you tap the button, a progress indicator will show you how the download is proceeding. If prompted, choose the download quality, such as good, better, or best. Each option varies in file size and quality. Choosing the right quality is essential because it affects how much space the download will take up on your device. If storage is limited, opting for good or better may be wise. Once you make your selection, the download will begin. Wait for the download to complete. You will see a confirmation message once the download is finished. This step is vital to ensure you have the content available for offline viewing. Patience is key here as larger files may take more time to download. Once your downloads are complete, disconnect from Wi-Fi and cellular data or switch your device to airplane mode. This step ensures that you are not using any data while attempting to watch your downloaded titles. It also prevents any interruptions during playback. Now, open the Prime Video app again. You will be greeted with the familiar interface, but this time you will navigate to the Download section. Here you will find all the content you have downloaded for offline viewing. Select the downloaded movie or episode you want to watch and tap Play. This action will start your offline viewing experience. You can now enjoy your chosen title without needing an internet connection. There are a few things to keep in mind. Not all titles are available for download due to licensing restrictions. Downloaded titles generally remain available for 30 days. Once you start watching, you usually have 48 hours to finish before the download expires. Additionally, downloads are encrypted and can only be played within the Prime Video app. This ensures your content is secure. Some titles may occasionally require an internet connection to verify your subscription before offline playback. This helps maintain the integrity of the service. With these steps completed, you are now fully equipped to enjoy Amazon Prime Video offline. Enjoy your viewing.